Wonder why your website isn't gaining any measurable traction in search engines? There can be so many factors contributing to an underperforming website, with plenty of missed opportunities. It is essential for your website to be friendly to search engines by containing the necessary elements for ideal exposure, while capturing the attention of your targeted audience. Higher search engine rankings mean more qualified website visitors and more opportunity to grow your business in this digital landscape. But where do you begin? It all begins with the understanding of your site, search engines, and the search patterns of your consumers. Without a clear idea of these factors, there is no way for your website to successfully navigate through this saturated online market. In less than 2 minutes, you can learn all you need when it comes to positioning your site and how you compare against your competition. With our free customized SEO report, you'll be able to see where you rank and what you need to do in order to improve your overall search engine ranking. What are you waiting for? Get your free SEO report today.